Alright.
For you?
Tony and Sasha puzzle over the rules for square roots.
Does every real number have a square root?
I don't think so, because if you take a positive number and square it, you get a positive number. If you take a negative number and square it, you get a positive number. So I'm pretty sure a negative number can have a real number as a square root.
Well, my calculator gives me an error if I try to find square root of -3. So I agree. Do you think all positive numbers have square roots?
Yes, I think so. Here, show me the graph of y equals x to the power 2.
Can we use graphs to answer my question?
Sure, the number square root 7 is the number x such that x to the power 2 equals 7.
So I draw a horizontal line 7 units up from the x-axis and find where it crosses the graph.
It's still yes.
Oh. There are two intersections. So there are two values for x that make x to the second power equals 7. Which one do we choose?
I think we should choose the one with the positive x coordinate. Every square root I've seen has been positive.
This might be picky, but how do we know that there isn't a hole in the graph where y equals 7? Sometimes a calculator just draws over a hole as if it wasn't there.
I suppose anything is possible, but I don't think there are any holes. Look, I can use the graph and the calculator to get points whose square is very close to 7. It looks like the x coordinate where y equals 7 is about 2.6, so I'll start there. The x values I'm squaring are getting closer and closer to each other. Also, the squares are getting closer and closer to 7. So my x values are getting closer and closer to a number whose square is 7. I can find a number as close to 7 as you want me to. If there were a hole in the graph, I think I could fill it in.
Sasha, someday I want to borrow your brain.